Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. My dear friends, today my energy is very low because I'm not well. I'm having a little fever. Okay, so don't mind for to be in such a low energy. Let's get started. So the market has opened and you can see that after this shooting star kind of a pattern, market has formed a small green candle here. So overall nothing has changed after the market opening. So if you want to watch the detailed analysis of Euro USD, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I have explained each and everything clearly. Okay, so in this video I will not be repeating the same stuff because I do not want to bore you again by repeating the same things again and again and again. Okay. So after the market opening, things have not changed, so the strategy still remains the same here. Okay, we have a resistance at 1.1580 to 1.1600. This is the resistance for the market, or in simple words, we have got sellers present in this market. So in case market goes up from here, obviously Euro USD will be facing some trouble to cross this level. Okay, so if market reverses from this resistance zone of 1.1580 to 1.1600, take a sell position if market reverses. Okay, on the other hand, if market comes down or goes down, okay, you'll get the second trading opportunity at 1.1520 to 1.1510. This level is a support for the market, or the place of buyers. So we have buyers in this level and we have got sellers present in this level. So we should only trade either at this level or at this level. If market goes up and reverses from the resistance, we will take a sell order, and if market comes down and bounces from this level, we will take a buy order as of now. Okay, and in the middle, if you take any buy or sell position, your risk to reward ratio will not match. So as a result, please avoid taking any buy or sell position at this level, because see, our main motto here is to trade, not to gamble. And my dear friends, this is your hard-earned money, so it is your duty not to risk your hard-earned money. So as a result, do not be a gambler, be a trader, and do not trade in the middle right now, because we do not have any proper logic here to place any trade here, because we cannot find any proper support or resistance on the middle, and that's why you need to wait for some time. And if I try to draw a line also, let me show you. Sorry. See, if I draw a trend line also like this, then also you can see that right now market will have to climb a little higher so that it can reverse. Okay, but still keep in mind that this trend line, yes, trend line is also there as a dynamic resistance, but this trend line is also not a very strong one. Okay, so more or less you'll have to wait for the market to be on the either at this level or this level. So do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.